Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something to help you do stuff. This is going to be sounding really cryptic here at the beginning. So you're out there, you're working on the garden or you're working on a project, building a shed, whatever else, and you're using muscles you haven't used for a while. And also it's like, oh man, my back's killing me. Oh, my arm, my shoulder, something else. Well, something to help you do more work. It's a muscle liniment. This happens to be Blue Emu. I was going to grab some of my Absorbing Junior, except I realized I lent the bottle to my daughter and she used it all up and didn't tell me, so I had to order some more. But having a supply of muscle liniments can be very helpful when you've overtaxed yourself and you got really sore muscles and you don't want to move. All right, so think about it, something for the medicine cabinet. Some people, I guess it should be in the medicine cabinet. It's not actually a first aid thing, but it still should be in the medicine cabinet. And think about it. What sort of liniments do you use to make you feel better so you can keep on going? All right, and I'm going to put some links to some videos up here, some playlists, my other channel, Camp Hat Family Compound, and the other three things I'm going to put up here about sharing prepping with people that are not prepping but know you are prepping. And why you want to do that? Well,